Hi, Ilknur. Ilknur, when are you going to change your profile picture?
I don't know.
Maybe next year?
Maybe, yeah, no, maybe next time.
It's okay.
Oh,
Hi, Celine. Tariel, are you preparing your dinner?
No, I don't know where my copybook for this is.
Okay,
I think I lost it.
good. If you think you lost it, you are right. So you don't have to look for it.
But I don't take it anywhere out of this house. It can't just be gone.
You should ask Celine. She can make a good guess. Celine, what do you think? Where is his notebook?
I don't know.
Guess, just guess.
In his table.
Check under your table. Did you find it?
No.
Oh, wrong guess, Celine. You need to make educated guess, not wild guess.
I'll just take another copybook. I have many here.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Tariel Ilknur, guys, if you're ready, let's start. We don't have much time, only 55 minutes. Okay. And after 40 minutes, I think you're tired. Celine, are you ready?
Yes.
Do you have a piece of paper or notebook on your table and pen, pencil, coffee, tea, water, everything?
Coffee, tea, water is also necessary.
Good.
Oh, I have
All right.
tortilla and water.
Good. So usually we drink water after coffee, right?
Yes, but
And
I don't drink
usually
coffee.
we drink coffee after dinner. I don't know, after I eat something, I really want to drink coffee, or usually after lunch. Okay, let's just have a look what we did last time. Times this question.
I
Okay.
think we did until question 10 or 9, if I'm not mistaken. Also, Mr.
Guys,
Qasim, if
I
you
want
have,
to try this question. Ilknur, do you remember this question?
yes, I do.
What did we get here? 36 or 37?
I didn't get anything. I didn't understand this question.
But still, you didn't understand, or now you understand?
No, now I understand.
Okay, guys, let's just do this again. I think, why is 36? It should be 37 because because I'm going to do this one more time and I will ask you a similar but another question. Okay. So in the question, Celine, let's listen to your voice and after let's discuss this. It looks actually easy question, but it's a bit tricky question. If you don't understand the tricky part, our answer will be wrong. Yes, Ilknur, I mean Celine.
Do I read this?
Read it, yes.
Okay. A shop sells sweets where every 3 sweet wrappers can be exchanged for one more sweet. Catherine has enough money to buy only 26 sweets. What is the biggest number of sweets that she can get from the shop?
Okay, Sally, now after reading this is not the first time we are reading this problem. Right. Can you visualize, can you imagine what is going on here, Sally?
Yes.
Like Sally, you just suppose that your father or mother gives you some money and says, Sally, you just go to the shop and get some sweets, okay? And you go to the shop. And the shopkeeper asks, okay, hi, welcome, Miss Celine. How are you? What are you doing these days? And you just say that I am preparing for very, very special, important contest, mathematical contest. And that is Sasmo. It says, and the shopkeeper wants to test you, okay, how smart you are. And says that, okay, now you have enough money for 26 sweets, okay? And asks the question, for 3 sweet wrappers, I can give you 1 more sweet. And ask the question, maximum how many sweets you can get from my shop. Okay, that is the scenario or story of this question. Now, suppose that again here, Celine goes to the shop with a bag, a beautiful bag. Okay, kind of back here. Maybe it doesn't look beautiful. And here we have Celine. Okay, and also she has eyes, but not 4 eyes, just only 2 eyes.
Not for us.
2 eyes, 2 eyes, and one mouth, and also some hair. Okay. She enters the shop and gives the money, okay? And immediately Celine gets 26 sweets. All right. So now every sweet has one wrapper. Now she has 26 wrappers, right? She removes all the wrappers and put the candies or sweets into her bag. Now we have 26 sweets. How many wrappers we have here? 26 wrappers. And now these 26 wrappers, I can just divide them as 24 wrappers plus 2 wrappers. Why? Because these 2 wrappers is not enough to buy one sweet, right? And you just give back these wrappers to the shopkeeper and ask him to give you more sweets. How many sweets do we have here? We have 8
8.
sweets, right? So I can get
Yes.
8 sweets here. So again, immediately I'll just remove the wrappers and put the sweets here. Now in my hand, how many wrappers here? I have again 8 wrappers. From the
And then
previous
2 as
one, actually
well.
I had 2 wrappers, right? Together now I have how many?
10.
It is 10 wrappers. Again,
And
this
you
10
can
wrappers,
change.
it is 9 wrappers plus 1 wrapper. Again, you just give this back to the shopkeeper to give you some sweets. How many sweets can you get this? It is 3, right? So again, the sweets you just put in your bag. And here we have wrappers again, right? And if you just add them together, how many wrappers? Now you have 4 wrappers, right? For this 4 wrappers, again, we have 3 wrappers and 1 wrapper. For this, again, we can get 1 sweet, right? Actually, again, here we have 1 more sweet. So again, here we have 1 wrapper, 1 wrapper, 1 wrapper. It is still, it's not enough to buy any more sweets. So that means that here we have 26 plus 8, 34, 34 plus 4, altogether 38 sweets.
Mr. Kasim, I understood everything except why did you add plus 1 in the end? Because we had 9 wrappers. We exchanged for 3 more wrappers.
So now
For
3
3
more
more
wrappers.
sweets.
Now, actually, it's 3 wrappers, right? 9, right? I have 3 candies. Like candies, I put them here. I just keep the wrappers here.
And then 1 more. Okay, okay.
And I have 1 more.
Yes, okay.
İlknur, did you understand?
Yes.
If you understand, I will ask you exactly the same question, but I just change the number. Let's say, can you do it or not?
I just changed the 1 number.
Okay, I just changed this 26 to 29. Try this. You have 2 minutes.
Everybody.
Nigar, you got the same number. You mean you got also 38? Good, very good. Selin, are you asking me where is my dress? What do you mean?
I meant that you drew me with 2
Ah,
eyes. Then
oh,
where's my
okay. Yeah, you are asking about that thing. I see. All right. I thought Taria lost his notebook. Also, you lost your dress. I thought, okay, I got it now. Okay.
Mr.
Ilknur,
Kasim,
how is it possible?
Mr. Kasim, I wrote your answer in chat.
Yeah, Nigar, you wrote your answer, but why did you put question mark? Are you asking me that, Mr. Qasim, is it correct or not, or that's your answer? Nigar?
Mr.
Nigar,
Kazim, can
if
you
you're
check if
asking me, is it correct or not? That answer is not correct.
Mr. Kazim, what about my answer?
Your answer is also not correct,
Wait, okay.
but very close. Ilknur, you don't want to change your answer?
Mr. Kasim, but I don't understand. I had my answer is wrong, you said, but it's very close.
Yes, because correct answer is 43, Tariel.
I got 29 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1.
Okay.
That's 42.
Maybe the last one you didn't see that, Tariel. Again,
Because
look. Huh?
can I say? Can I say?
Yes.
Because look, it was 29, so you can exchange 27 wrappers, you will get 9. And you have 2
Okay.
left.
Okay. Wait. 29 wrappers. Now I have 29 sweets plus.
Yes.
Now I have here 27, right? Plus
Yes.
2 wrappers.
Yes.
So for this one, how many can we get? 9.
9.
I can get 9. Now I have here 9 wrappers. 9
Then you can get
wrappers,
3
2
from
wrappers
that.
together, how many?
11.
So this 11, I can write 9 plus 2. For this,
Yes.
how many can we get?
3.
3. And sweets, I just put in my bag again. I have 3. And
And
together, how
2
many?
plus
How many?
2.
5, right?
5. And you can
So
get
5
1 from
again,
that.
I can get actually 3 wrappers plus 2 wrappers. For this, how many?
1.
1. Okay. So I have
I didn't
again 1
include.
wrapper.
Yes.
So the last one you didn't see. The last one still I have 3 wrappers. For this one, I can get 1 candy. So I put 1. Actually, I have 1 wrapper here. Altogether, how many? 38 plus 4 plus 5. That is 43. Nigar, did you see your mistake?
Yes.
Nur, how about you? Did you get the answer? I mean, did you understand the solution?
Yes, I got the same answer after trying the second time.
Very good, very good. So that means that you got everything 100%. Very good. Okay, I think Selen's guess maker machine didn't work today. I think I don't know why. Okay. So, Tariel, read the question.
Question 11. The digits 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are all used to write the 5-digit number A, B, C, D, E, where the 3-digit number A, B, C is divisible by 4, B, C, D is divisible by 5, and C, D, E is divisible by 3. Find all the possible values of the 5-digit number A, B, C, D, E.
Okay. Did you understand the question? Here we are given 4 digits. Number one is, 3, and the 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, right? Using these numbers, we are going to make 5-digit number. And let's say that's our 5-digit number. The question is, in how many 5-digit numbers we can make, which satisfies these conditions. The first one is where the 3-digit number ABC is divisible by 4. That means that this A, B, C, it is 3-digit number. Divisible by 4 means I can just write it as 4 times some natural number. And BCD is divisible by 5. That means that this 3-digit number BCD actually is divisible by 5. That is 5 times some natural number, right? And CDE is divisible by 3. That is CDE is divisible by 3. So some natural number, right? So now we're going to make this A, B, C, D, right? This, let me just write here. This one is A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D, this one is E. So now actually we should just start from the easiest one. What's the easiest one? If you look at the second one, B, C, D is divisible by 5. What kind of numbers are divisible by 5? If the last digit is 0 or the last digit is 5, right? Like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, blah, blah, blah. So here we don't have any 0, right? This digit cannot be 0. So the only
It's
choice
5.
is that D must be 5. So
Yeah.
here, the only choice for D is 5. So that means that now here, if D is equal to 5, and the second one is, if you look at the first one now, Mr. Tariel, what numbers are divisible by 4? We are talking about BC, right? What numbers are divisible by 4 if the last digit is divisible by 4, right? I mean, the last two digits. I mean,
Last two digits
the
have to be
number
divisible
which
by
is formed
4.
by the last two digits divisible by 4. Like
So
uh,
yes. So
the
BC
last
has,
two digits must be either 16 or 12 or
it can be
24.
36. BC can be 36.
So anyway, now here we have this 5 is gone. I cannot use this 5, right? And also this D, okay, we know what is D. So for this BC, what numbers can it be? For
3
example,
and 6.
if it is, for example, for ABC, right? For BC, if B is 3, 34, no, 36, yes. It can
Yes,
be
I said
36, 37, no. If it is 4, 46, no, 47, no. And if it is 6 and 63, no, 64, yes. If it is 70, 73, no, 74, no, 76. How many possible answers do we have for A, B, C?
yes.
We have 3, right? That is 3. Okay. So now let me just write here then, how to say the first one is, let's say BC, it is, BC is 3, 6, or the 6, 4, 6, 4, 5. Next one is 7, 6, 7, 6, 5. Okay. So
Yes.
the last one now. How about the last one for CDE? That means that the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Okay. So again, if we just look at this DE, right? What is D? D is 5. If it is 5, 53, it is not divisible by 3. 54, it is divisible by 3, so it can be 4. So this E can be 4. And how about 56? It can be 4. I mean, it can be 6, right? 57, it's not divisible by 4. So that means that either it can be 4 or 6, E.
Yes, we're here. Mr. Kasim.
Yes.
Ah, I thought you were frozen. That's why.
So 4 or 6, that means that here, if it is 3, 6, 5, or the 6 is used here, so this should be 4. Actually, here we have 6, 4 is used already here, right? And also this E cannot be equal to this one. Okay, is that all?
Wait, what about A?
Yeah, after that we get A. A can be anything. A is the remaining number. For example, in the first one, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, A is 7 here. How about here, 6, 4, 5, and this E must be either 4 or 6, so this one is not possible answer. And 7, 6, 5, so this should be 4, and this should be 7, 6, 5, 4,
Mr.
this should be
Kasim.
3.
Mr. Kasim, I checked
Yes.
everything. If ABC is divisible by 4, like if you take 736, the first answer is correct. 73,654.
So we have two possible answers, right? The one is this, second one is this.
Really?
7, 3, 6, 5, 4. A, B, C, for example, 7, 3, 6, it is divisible by 4. B, C, D, for example, 3, 6, 5, it is divisible by 5. C,
Yes.
D, E, 6, 5, 4, it is divisible by 3, right?
Yes.
So now if you check the second number, again, A, B, C, 3, 7, 6, divisible by 4, and 6, 7, 6, 5, divisible by 5, and 6, 5, 4, it is divisible by 3. So we have two possible answers. It says find all possible values of the 5-digit number, so it is 2. The answer actually should be not like 2, it should be 7, 3, 6, 5, 4, or 3, 7, 6, 5, 4. We have two possible answers. I don't know if there's an easier way. Also, that's just easier way, right? Because actually 5 is already selected. Only 4 numbers are left. Then using these 4 digits, just you need to check these two conditions, and that's it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Guys, do you have any question about question 11? Salim, Nigar, Ilknur, Tariel. Do we have more students here? Adilhan,
Ibrahim.
Raul, Ibrahim, Nigar. Oh my gosh, Adilhan, are you still here?
I'm here. Ilknur is here.
Yes, Ilknur. Also, I can see you. Also here we have Raul. I think they are playing computer games. Let's continue. Adilhan, read the question.
At a workshop, there are 20 participants. Each of them shakes hand once with one another.
Hand, not head.
Hand. How many handshakes are there?
Yes, Adilhan, what do you think? Suppose that you are playing football. In your team, there are 10 people. In the other team, there are 10 people. And all of them are going to shake their hands with each other, but once. We don't shake hands twice, right? What do you think? How many shakes will there be?
Uh, 399. 399.
399. Are you sure?
Yes.
399. One more time, say yes, Ilknur.
Yes.
How?
Multiply 20 and 20. Then
Multiply 20 by 20. Why are you multiplying 20 by 20? Because only we have one number, that's why.
no, because there are 20 participants and they all shake hand once.
Okay, Ilknur, let me ask you this question. Suppose not 20. How about if we have 3 participants? How many handshakes will there be here? Can you actually use your method to answer this question, Ilknur?
8.
8. That is 3 times 3 minus 1. That's equal to 8. Is that
Yes.
so? Now, suppose that actually here we have Celine, again without dress. Here we have Mr. Tariel, and here we have Mr. Qasim. And we are going to shake hands, okay? For example, let's say Celine shakes her hand with Tariel, number 1, and she shakes her with me, is number 2, right? And after that, Tariel shakes his hand with me, and that's it. How many handshakes?
3.
Celine with Tariel, Celine with me, it is 2, right? And Tariel with me, it's 1 more. How many? It is 3.
But yes.
Did you see that your mistake here?
Yes, I did.
Okay, now how about if you have 4 people, for example? Let's say 4 people. Let's say here we have Annie, Benny, Cindy, Danny. Okay, so this Annie shakes his hand with Benny, 1, and with this guy, 2, with this guy, 3. How many handshakes? 3. Now Annie is gone, right? That's enough. Now Benny shakes hands with Cindy, with Danny. How many? It is 2. Also it is gone, right? Now Cindy with Danny, how many? It is 1. That's it. Now everybody shakes hand with each other only once. How many? Here we have 1, 2, 3. If we have 3 people, here we have 1 plus 2. If we have 4 people, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now, if I add one more, 5 people, you will see that the number of total handshakes will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that's it. Now, actually, we need to just again, try the simpler version of this problem. Now, using this method now, how about if 20 people, number of total handshake, that's n, right? The first guy shakes his hand with 19 people. So that
Mr.
is,
Kasim, Mr. Kasim, I got 190.
that's correct. 18,
Yes?
17, until 1. What is it? It's
Yes.
just the sum of the first n natural numbers. That is the last digit, the last number is 19. That is 19 times 20 over 2. That's equal to 190. So altogether,
Yes.
there are 190 handshakes.
Finally, I
Yes,
got a
Ariel,
question right.
congratulate yourself on this achievements.
Finally, I got a question right.
Yes, any questions?
No.
Celine, any question?
No,
Why no?
I don't know.
Celine was forced to come here.
Nigar, is it clear? Are you there? Nigar, why your microphone is not working? First, I did not understand it, but now I understood. Okay, Mr. Carson, don't worry about me. Now, if you ask me any difficult question about this kind of problems, I can solve all questions 100% correctly. Thank you very much, Nigar. Thank you. I appreciate that.
I am pretty sure she didn't say that.
Huh?
I am pretty sure she didn't say that.
Why? Because she doesn't talk like that? Huh?
No, just.
Who knows? Maybe she doesn't talk to you like this. Maybe she can talk like this to me. Nigar, say something. Now she's writing again message.
Hello?
Okay, if you didn't hear anything, it's okay, Nigar. No problem. Nigar, read the question.
Question 13. In the following cryptaritum, different letters represent different digits and an asterisk may represent any digit. The product math is a 4-digit number less than 5,000. What number does math represent?
What number does math represent? Okay, in this kind of question, actually, that is easy one, but your level S1, it will be a little bit harder than this. So Nigar or Tariel, can you tell me about H? What can H be here? It cannot be 1, right? 1 times 1 is not 6.
H can be 3 and 2 because 3 multiplied by 2.
It can be either
6.
not 3, it can be maybe 4, right? Or 6. Because
Wait,
4 times
why?
4, it is 16, right? The last digit is 6.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
if it's 6 times 6, 36, the last digit is 6, because this means that the last digit is 6.
Okay.
But can it be any other number? No. It's 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. 9 times 9, 81. See, only 2 possibilities. I mean, we have only 2 possibilities for H. So now we assume that, suppose that H is equal to 4. Okay. So at the time, here we have 4 times 4. It is 16. Let me just write here 4. Okay. 4. And here we have 4. And also this should be 4. What? Is it same? It's same, right? Here also H. So actually this 6 comes down, right? Okay, then this actually, that means that this H cannot be equal to 4. It is 6 for sure.
Yes, because it's 6 already right there.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's already here. That's why it is 6. Okay, very good. So if H is equal to 6, and here we have 6. Okay, here we have 6. Now 6 times 6, 36, we have 3. And the 6 times what number is something? Okay, it can be 36. So this E cannot be equal to 1, right? It may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here for E, it cannot be equal to 1. Can it be 2? Yes. Can it be 3? Yes. Can it be 4, 5, 6? We have already used for H. 7, 8, 9. Okay, now if I need to look at this right here, E times 6 is, the last digit is 8. So that means that E 2 times 6, it cannot be 2. 3 times 6, 18, maybe. 4 times 6, 24. So it cannot be 4. 5 times 6, 30. 7 times 6, 42. 8 times 6, 48, maybe. 9 times 6, 40, 54. So again, here we have two possibilities, right? E can be 3 or 8. So E can be 3 or 8. So that is 3 or 8. Okay, that's it now. So suppose that is equal to 3. At the time here we have 36, 36, right? If you multiply the 6 times 6, 36. And we have 3, 18, 21. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 3, 9. With 1, it is 10. If you add them, it is 6, 9, 2, 1. Okay, does it make sense? Because now if you take this 8, for example, it doesn't work, right? For example, check this, 86, for example, 86, right? 6 times 6, 36, we have 3. 6 times 8, 48, with 3, it is 51. 8 times 6, 48, we have 4. 6 times 64, 68, right? And see here, the 6, 9, it is 13. You have 1, it is 7, okay? So why it doesn't work?
But why it doesn't work?
Huh?
Why can't it be 7,396?
Taria, say again.
But why we can't use 86 here? Like, why can't the answer be 7,396?
Okay. Okay, I'm thinking Nigar is the answer of the first one is 126, 1296. Yes, Taria, what do you mean?
No, she was asking what was the answer for the first one.
Okay, Taria, because here in the question it says that the product math is a 4-digit number less than 5,000.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I think we didn't see this one. We said we actually read this, but we just forgot. So that's why it says less than 5,000. But also that's another answer. Actually, we have two possible answers, but it's not less than 5,000. That's why the answer is 1296. Okay, Ignore. Read the question, then I will tell you something.
There are 100 bonds to be shared among 100 monks consisting of senior and junior monks. The senior monks get 3 bonds each and every 3 junior monks share 1 bond. How many senior monks are there?
Ignore, did you understand the question?
What does monk mean?
What? You don't know what is a monk?
No.
Nigar, what is a monk?
Wait, what is a monk?
Monk is a religious person in Buddhism. You know, they just cover themselves the whole actually with,
Oh, yes, yes.
how
Monk,
do you
sorry,
call this in
remember.
Azari language or Russian? How do you call this? Is it what is monk? In Russian, what is it?
I don't know what is monk in Russian.
In Azari, what do you call this?
We are not sure.
Huh?
We are not sure. If I put in Google Translate, will it give me the answer?
Okay. Anyway, you understand, right? What we mean by monk?
Yes, we
In
understand, but I want to search for.
Azari. Azerbaijani. Azerbaijani, it says rahib.
Really?
Is it Azari word, rahib?
Yes, I've heard of that word, but I didn't know what it means.
Okay, rahib. Also in Uzbek, we call this rahib. Anyway,
I just searched for it in Russian, and now I understand the meaning.
okay. I can put actually one picture here. I have some picture with actually monks in the street. Like sometimes I take picture with them. Okay, next time I don't have to give explanation to these people. Okay, Ilknur, did you get it now?
Yes.
Anyway, guys, here actually maybe you can just talk about this instead of this monks. Let's say this teacher and the student. Okay, teachers eat more, students eat less. Guys, I really want to try. Actually, you may wonder why Mr. Qasim is laughing, because I actually saw this question and I just smiled, because when I was teaching in Myanmar, like maybe 16 years ago in 2005, and there was this question, okay? And when I read this question like ignore, everybody laughed at me at the time, okay? Because at the first time, I'm teaching outside, okay, the international school, and pronouncing TH, right? Sometimes it was not easy. And I just say that there are 100 monks to be shared among 100 monks, and the senior monks, blah, blah, blah. Okay, still some students remember and they make a joke after even 15 years. I have a video
And how did
maybe.
you pronounce TH?
The. You put your tongue between your teeth, right? The.
There.
There are 100 months. And a lot of students, they just pronounce as Z, right? There are. It is not there are, right? It is the. Put your tongue between your two teeth, and after that, say, there
There.
are 100 months. The.
There. Yes.
Okay? Okay, no problem, Iktur. I remember the time. That's why. Now, guys, give it a try to this question. It's so nice, beautiful question, and also a little bit challenging question. Let's see who can get the answer. You have 3 minutes, okay? And Celine, don't make a guess. Try on a piece of paper, please. Okay, time starts now. Raul, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Why are you so quiet?
I don't know.
Are you playing game with Adilhan and Ibrahim?
No.
Why 3 of you, Adilhan, Ibrahim, and Raul, you are so quiet?
I don't know why. I am very quiet man.
Man or boy?
Wait, sorry, boy.
Okay, don't scare me. I thought I thought all the people here are boys and girls, right? You didn't become a man yet. Raul, can you turn on the camera? I will tell you why you are quiet.
He will not agree to that. I don't know why people don't turn on their cameras. What's the problem?
Hmm?
I don't understand why people don't turn on their camera. It's completely normal.
Okay, now, Taria, let me just give you a hint. And I'm sure that's, I hate turning off my camera, Mr. Qasim, but my camera is not working properly. I wish my camera is not broken so I could actually turn on my camera. Celine. Okay, Celine, no problem. Okay. All right. Tariel,
Yes,
let me just give you a hint, okay? There are, it says 100 buns to be shared among 100 monks, consisting
yes.
of senior and junior monks, right? So what you have to do here is, okay, we have 100 monks and let's make a table, okay? So we are talking about two different people, right? And here we have junior and here we have senior monks, okay? So it says that the senior monk gets 3 buns each, and every three junior monks share 1 bun. So that means that here 100 buns and 100 monks, right? So now if I suppose that, how many junior monks do we have? Here we have, let's say, n. Now, Tariel, can you tell me how many senior monks are there here?
Then what
100
do you mean?
minus n, right?
Ah, yes, yes.
Okay. Actually, it says that 3 junior monks share 1 bun. That means that one actually junior monk gets how much? It is 1/3, right? And how about senior monk? It says that senior monk gets 3 buns each. Each one gets 3 buns. So that means that here we have n junior monks. Each one gets 1/3 of 1 bun. So altogether they eat 1/3 times n plus, and here we have 100 minus n senior monks. Each one eats 3, right? So here we have 3 times 100 minus n. And altogether, how many buns do we have here? We have 100 buns. Ignor, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Good. Do you understand everything?
Yes.
Okay. So here we have one, like, let me just write here, n over 3 plus 300 minus 3n. On the right hand side, we have 100. And n over 3 minus 3n, right? What is it? It is minus 8 over 3n. On the right hand side, take 300 to the right hand side. 100 minus 300, it is minus 200. So what is n here? Actually, both sides have negative signs, right? We can just cancel them out. That's equal to 200 times, multiply both sides by 3/8. So here we have 3/8, which is equal to 200/8. It is 25. 3 times 25 is 75. So what is it? The number of junior monks, right? Junior monks, we have 75, and the senior monks, we have 25. So the 75 people, they are sharing 1 bun, 3, right? They eat how many? 25 buns. How about these people? There's 75 buns, altogether 100. Okay, Ilknur, do you have any question? Did you get it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ilknur, how old are you?
13.
So you were born in 2008 or 9?
7. 2007.
2007. 7. 2007. Really?
Yes.
Good. Tariel, 2008, right? Or 9?
Yes, 2008.
Okay. What is your weight, Tariel, if it is not secret?
If it's not secret, my weight is 44 kilograms.
How much?
44.
44.
Yes, a little too fat, I think.
Really?
Yes.
Mm. Okay, Tariel. Also, my son was born on 21st of February, 2008. Now he's a big
Ah,
boy. He's 65 kg.
your son is, I think, like 11 days younger than me.
Really?
Yes, because my birthday is 2008, 10th of February.
Oh, I see. Very good.
Teacher, my weight is 50, no, oh sorry, 60 kilograms.
How old are you, Raul?
Really, Raul?
20.
Show me. Can I see you? Please turn on your camera. Let me see how big you are.
I don't know why, but I hate to open my to turn on my camera. I don't know why.
Raul, if you are having, for example, your school class, I understand you can keep your camera off and if you're lying down, but this one is special math class and that's online class, that is private math class, right? And you wanted to join this class and they just keep the camera off. I don't understand why.
Mr. Kasim, not everybody wanted to come here. Some of them were forced to come here, I'm sure.
So why are you here, Tariel?
What can I do?
Huh?
What can I do, Mr. Kasim? I like the class here, but no, I'm not saying that I was forced to come here, but I'm
No,
sure that
actually,
there.
Tariel, but when I say that, of course, if I just leave it to your wish, okay, maybe nobody wants to study at this age. But actually, parents, all right, they think about their future. If you do not study now, and I don't know, Tariel, we need to dream big, right? And just
Yeah, that's right.
okay. There is one quote I really like this, but also is a kind of mathematical logic behind this. Selen, are you ready to for this quote?
Seren, are you ready?
Okay, Selen, are you listening? Speak.
Yes.
Selen, you will give me some feedback, okay, some explanation.
Okay.
That's one of the very famous quote. Okay, the quote goes like this. It says that if you think you can do it, you are right. If you think you cannot do it, you are right. Yes, Selen, give us some feedback. I mean, comment on this
I
quote.
think that this quote is about, for example, if you think that if you are doing well or something, you will go till the end and you will just do and progress yourself. So you can just go to your, I mean, goal. And if you think that you're wrong and you can't do anything, you will not do anything. You can't motivate yourself. So I think
No,
that
no. Ilknur, would you like to say anything about this quote?
Can you repeat the question?
Okay, I'm saying that there's one famous quote. The quote says like this: if you think you can do something, you are right. And if you think you cannot do it, you are right.
Both of them are true because if you think you can't do it, then you can't do it.
And
Um,
Mr. Kasim, it's like this quote is saying that if you convince yourself that you are not going to do something, that means that you're not going to do it at any time. Because you already convinced yourself that I can't do it, I don't want to do it.
okay, what I understand from this quote, Tariel, for example, let's say you want to eat some fried egg, Tariel. What do you do to eat some fried egg if you are alone at home?
If I, well, if I want to eat some fried, I make some fried egg.
Right, you should go to the kitchen and get some eggs and crack it into the pan and fry it and eat, right?
Yes, yes. If I want to eat it, I will make it, right?
Yeah, that means that you need to take a step actually to do something. If you think that you cannot do that, even you don't take a step, nothing will happen. And actually, we have very precious time. It is limited. And now you are young, only 12, 13 years old, and you can learn everything you want, right? And that's why you should learn because your job is learning now getting education. You are not working outside. You don't have to earn money. You don't have babies or kids to look after, right? Only job you have to do is studying. Then do your job um, in the best possible way. Anyway, guys, let's move to the next question.
Yes, can we do a few more because the lesson is finishing. Let's do two more questions.
Okay. Celine, do you remember this question? What is the least number of cuts required to cut 5 identical sauces so that they can be shared equally among 9 people? Did we
Yes,
solve
I
this
remember.
similar question before?
Yes, we did it.
But this is a
I
little bit
think I
different, right? It's 5 identical sauces, but 9 people.
I don't know. I can see I can I can open the presentation now, another one that you sent their answers. So I don't know.
Okay, guys, can you think just 1 minute? Okay, tell me, what do you think? What is the least number of cuts required to cut 5 identical sauces so that they can be shared equally among 9 people?
But Mr. Kasim, what if you cut it so that there will be 10 identical parts, but you just leave one for
Yeah, identical.
afterwards?
Actually, everybody should get equal amount of sausage.
No, you know what I'm saying? Like, for example, you cut it into 10 parts and you give the 9 equal parts to 9 people, and then one you just throw away. Can you do that?
No, you cannot do that. Wasting is not allowed here.
Okay. Okay.
No, no, no, you cannot do that. If you think like that at the time, it will be so easy.
Mhm.
That is not the point of the question. What do you mean, Tariel?
She says, can't the people just buy more sausages?
Five sausages.
Cut so that they have to be shared among 9 people equally, and we have to find the minimum amount of cuts needed. But how do you do this? Mr. Kasim, how much time do we have left?
Okay, Celine, Nigar, any answer? Ilknur?
No.
Yeah, I'm thinking of 5, but it should be less than 5.
You think of 5 cuts, but how would you do that?
Like, for example, we have 5 identical sausages, right? Here, if I like to, let's say that's the first one, the first sausage, and second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, okay? And these are the sausages, let's say, just put like this, okay? And let me make my first cut through here, okay? And my second cut from here, equally, actually. These are equal. These pieces are equal, okay? So now how many pieces I have here? Here 15, right?
Yes.
So there's 9 of them. I can just give 1 piece to each, okay? So now here, actually, I just made 2 cuts here. Already I made 2 cuts. So now here, how many sauces left? Here we have 6.
6.
So 6 Okay. 6. How about like this? 2. I have 4, 2, and 4, and 4. 2 more cost 12. Okay, then here we have 6. If I cut here 12, 24. It doesn't make sense. 24. Okay, guys, let's stop here. Tariel, Salin, Adilhan, everybody think about this question. Okay, and let's see how many minimum costs we can find this. Okay, İlknur, Nigar, I hope actually Salin girls they can find this. Raul also has homework. I will ask you first, Raul, next time. Okay, guys.
Okay, Mr. Kasim.
Okay, thank you very much. I will see you next Monday, right? Enjoy your
Yes.
weekends and
You too. Thank you very much.
thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Thank you, Nigar.